So you get a lot of reasons why employees do fail training. The major issue is lack of interest in learning. If a learner is not interested in learning, you can't force the learner, and that would lead to failing. Poor attendance during training could also lead to failure. Language barriers as well. Lack of basic skills, poor concentration, lack of motivation. If a learner is not motivated enough, the learner would also end up failing. Insufficient practice, a learner should normalize practicing on their own as well. Not understanding questions and not asking questions as well would lead to failing. Poor time management, lack of confidence, distraction during training, difficulty adapting to sessions given. Many companies do share these hurdles. Book a quick chat and we will be there to assist you for answers for your side.